In this video, I'll show you how to sell your crypto on Binance. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First thing you're going to do is open up your Binance app and log into your Binance account. If you don't already have a Binance account, I'll leave you a link to Binance down below in the description that will give you $100 in trading fee rebates, along with a couple other exchanges that offer high bonuses. So once you've logged into your account, you're going to go right down here to the bottom right-hand corner to wallets or assets. So this is going to give you an overview of the assets you have in your spot and your funding account. For this example, we're going to use spot. So if you have some crypto in your funding account you want to transfer into spot, you just click on transfer. We're going to go from funding to our spot wallet, select the coin you want to transfer, click on the amount you want to transfer into your spot account, confirm and click OK. Now we're going to go back to our home page, and right up here, we're going to click on spot. Then we're going to select the asset we want to sell by typing it in on the search bar. Select the stable coin that you want to transfer it into. For this example, use USDC. We're going to click on sell. Right here, we can put the number that we want to sell, or we can use this here to select how much we want to sell, 25, 50, or all of it. Once you've entered the amount that you want to sell into USDC, just click on sell. After we've selected the stable coin we want to transfer our asset into, we're going to click on sell on the top here, and we can enter the amount we want to sell manually right here, or we can use this slider to select if we want to sell 50% of our asset or all of it. After you've chosen how much you want to sell, we're just going to click on sell and confirm our order. And that's how to sell your crypto on Binance.